Welcome to Monkey Art! Today we're gonna draw Chase, super cool doggy dog from Paw Patrol! And we're gonna use some cool markers, like these ones. And we're gonna use piece of paper and what else? Rocket marker or black marker for the drawing parts. So let's get started. We're gonna draw a little nosy nose in the center, just like that. Then we're gonna make a little line down going, just like that, and a line at the bottom, and it's gonna go a little bit up like that, and on the other side as well. Cool. Let's add a few dots, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna make a curvy line at the top. And we can add some eyes to our little Chase. We're gonna add like a half circle here. And let's add another one on the other side. Just like that. And now let's make some small circles like this, and around it goes the big one, and we can color in. Let's make another eye, and the big circle. Woohoo! That's looking amazing. Now we're gonna go a little bit down, and we're gonna make some cheeks going from here to here, and on the other side as well. Then we're gonna connect it with this little dot at the end. And I'm gonna actually make a little line like this, and go, 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 there we go. And on this side as well, go, 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 there we go. Cool. Let's make this a little bit thicker, top part. Cool. And now let's add some eyebrows for our cute little doggy dog. And we can color them as well. Just like that. And now we're gonna make some furry parts, just like this. Yep. On this side as well. Yep. Yep. There we go. He's super cute. And we're gonna also add two more lines here. Nice. And we're gonna put some hats on our little Chase. So I'm gonna make here one line, and here one line, and then we're gonna connect these. Just like that. And let's go here a little bit, and here a little bit, and then we're gonna make that big hat of his. Yep. And a little dot here. Yep. There we go. Now we're gonna make another line going through his hat, and another one, just like that. And a little shield symbol here. Can be simple as that. And now let's add some ears. So we're gonna put here one line and another one going down. And let's make another one inside, up and down. We have one ear completed. And now we're gonna make another one. Line up, line down, and another one up and down. Cool. Chase is looking super cute. Now let's add here. Let's go. Cool. We're gonna make two more lines, just like that. And here, a little shape. And then we can make another shield symbol. It can go like this time. And let's make some paws. So we're gonna make here one. It's gonna go just like that, like rounded rectangle. We have one, and we need another one. There we go. Now we need to connect these, just like that. And one more line. And there we go, guys. Now we're gonna make a little board, and we can write down our names. We're gonna make that just like this. And down, and and down, and like this. And we can maybe make another line going all the way around. And there we go. Now you can write down your name, or you can write down, for example, I love mommy, I love daddy. I'm gonna write down my name. D A N. Wow, it's looking perfect. Now we're gonna use some colors. Let me see, what do I have here? I have many colors. And I'm gonna use this one first for his face. And then Oh, actually we can use this color to color his pose. Just like that. And I think this one goes as well. The front parts. Wow, cool. Now we're gonna use some pink. I love pink. Let's color inside of his ears. Cool. Now we're gonna use some brown. And this part as well. Oh, it's looking lovely. Now we're gonna use some yellow. Color this little line here. And some blue. Color the hat. Cool. And maybe we can put some blue here, and maybe as well we can color this blue. Nice. And let's do his nosy nose, making a little circle and coloring all the way around so his nosy nose will shine. Wow, cool. Now let's use a little bit more of this lovely yellow. Cool. And then we can also color boards. We can use any color we like, but I'm gonna use my brown. And the bottom parts. Wow, that's looking amazing. And I wanna add some hearts just here on the boards. And there we go, little artists. we have finished this lovely Chase drawing, and we're gonna give it a little heart because we love Chase, and check mark because it's completed. And I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye. If you like this video, please share and subscribe, and let's keep creating these super cool drawings.